Hello everybody, welcome to Learnbay. My name is Pritesh and on behalf of Learnbay, I welcome you to yet another super interesting session of Mission Appraisal 2024, where today we'll be understanding the two strongest pillars of every domain, that is data science and AI. Well, if you're looking for an appraisal or you're looking for a job change or you're planning to take a small break, well, upskilling is something that you will require. So, before we begin, let us understand what is the meaning of the word upskilling. Well, upskilling, which means you are polishing your skills. You are shaping your skills so that they can help you to get a better job. They can help you to perform better in your current role. They can help you to get a promotion. Basically, they make you the best at what you are doing. And how will you become the best at what you are doing? By getting another degree? No. By working for longer hours in office? No. By getting a training under your reporting manager? Well, absolutely not. And what is going to help you is the two strongest pillars of your domain, that is data science and AI. Now, I have done so many sessions which are available on YouTube as well as Learnbay's website, where I have spoken extensively on how important are data science and AI in every domain. So if you're watching this video and you're from banking or financial services, or you're from marketing or from HR or from healthcare or from supply chain or from retail or from manufacturing or from hospitality, well, you need data science and AI. If not today, in the next upcoming months, I won't even say years. Everything today is data driven and AI driven. Whether it is construction, whether it is HR, whether it is healthcare, whether it is accounts, whether it is finance, whether it is banking, everything is and is going to be data driven and going to be controlled by AI. So is your job at risk? Well, definitely yes. Your job is definitely at risk, but it comes with an advantage. And the advantage is that these are the two driving forces of every domain, data science and AI. But if you have the steering wheel of these two domains, of these two pillars in your hands, well, you don't need to worry. Then your job is definitely not in danger. Your job is definitely not in stake, because you know that these two strongest pillars, how to control them. You know how to drive them. You know how to make them work for you, and that is why you become an asset for the company. So all of you, irrespective of what domain you are in, irrespective of whether you are working in a bank or working in a hospital or working in a hotel or working in a factory or working into retail or supply chain, you need data science and AI. Data science, the word itself tells me it is the study of the data. It is validating the data, it is cleaning the data, it is visualizing the data, it is compiling the data, it is basically studying the data, right? And AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. It is intelligence, but it is humanly created. And when I talk about intelligence, it means something that can understand, that can process, that can decide for you. And this all is being done by an external software, right? That is artificial intelligence. Intelligence, which means something that can understand, process, decide, analyze, compare, differentiate, right? That is what is being intelligent. If I show you a red ball and an apple, again red in color, you will be able to tell this is an apple, this is a ball, this is edible, this is inedible, this is something that you eat with, this is something that you play with, this I would like to eat first and this I would like to play with later. That is what is an intelligent person does. They are able to differentiate, they are able to compare, they are able to understand, they are able to process, they are able to decide, right? And all of this can be done with the help of a machine, and that is what is AI. Now, how to use this machine? Well, that is what Learnbay teaches you. Learnbay equips you so that you become a pro at data science and AI in your respective domain, and that is why your job from becoming at stake becomes something which the companies want to take. Take as in they want to take you. You become an asset for the company. You become somebody who is going to take the company like tens of years ahead, and that is why we don't want to let you go. We want you here. Tell me, how much appraisal do you want? That is what your company is going to ask you. So data science and AI is the future, whether you are in any domain, whether you are in IT or non-IT or technical, non-technical, whatever. Data science and AI is the future. That the future of all the domains, that the future of all the industries. Well, even presenters, even video presenters need to be upskilling themselves, because very soon it's going to be all taken over by data science and AI basically. So make sure that you wake up and smell the coffee. Make sure that you realize the importance of this mega revolution that is going to come across the industries in the world, and make sure that you make that wise decision of upskilling. Now, where should you upskill? Where should you upskill? So you should definitely upskill with Learnbay. Now, why am I telling you that you should upskill with Learnbay? Is it because I am from Learnbay? Well, definitely yes. But apart from that, let me tell you, there are so many videos out there which will show you a direct comparison of Learnbay versus other data science and AI providing platforms. But how Learnbay wins it, or how Learnbay has an edge over the others, it is because we know that data science and AI teaching in theory through an online class is super easy. But when you go and apply it in your company, when you'll get a job, well, that is when your nightmare is going to come to reality, because understanding how a science experiment works, like in theory, and performing it in practical, well, the difference is of day and night, right? And that is what is the case with data science and AI as well. We know that learning it in theory and practicing it in your field is very, very different. And so Learnbay has the super amazing project innovation lab, where every now and then we invite you to your nearest center. We give you an entire project driven by data science and AI to handle under the guidance of our mentors, and you handle that entire project throughout your course, and your effort gets validated by the industry giants like IBM and Microsoft. And that is only and only Learnbay today in the market who is doing it. That is why we have an edge over the others. I'm not marketing Learnbay, I'm not advertising Learnbay. All I'm telling you is be wise. Be wise, choose the right for yourself, choose the perfect for yourself, choose the best for yourself, because you want to be the best, better than the rest, right? So make a wise decision. All I can tell you now is visit www.learnbay.co, connect with our counselors, and we'll help you in all the possible manners, right? All the best, my dear friends. See you there. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, and make sure that you share this video with all your friends and colleagues. Take care. Thank you so much.